AI isn't just the future, it's the biggest opportunity right now in 2026. And the best part? You don't need years of experience or a fancy degree to get started. AI does the heavy lifting for you. It's like having a super smart assistant who works 24/7, helping you create, innovate, and, most importantly, earn. So, what exactly can you do with AI? The possibilities are almost endless. You can write entire video scripts, just like this one. You can edit those videos without touching complex software. You can generate stunning, photorealistic images from a simple text description. You can build professional websites in minutes, not days. You can create eye-catching designs for social media or marketing materials. You can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more important things. You can create engaging content for blogs, social media, or newsletters. And you can even translate languages instantly, breaking down communication barriers. It's a creative powerhouse at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the best tools to make all this happen. In 2026, the landscape is packed with incredible options. For writing and brainstorming, ChatGPT and Claude are your go-to geniuses. For creating unbelievable visuals, Midjourney is still king. When it comes to video, Runway lets you edit and generate footage like a Hollywood pro. While Luma AI can create entire 3D scenes from your phone. For quick and beautiful designs, Canva AI has integrated tools that make graphic design a breeze. Need a professional voiceover? 11 Labs can create realistic voices in any language. And if you need to create a presentation or a web page, Gamma can build it for you in seconds based on a simple prompt. These are the tools that are shaping our world. Okay, the big question: how do you actually make money with this stuff? It's simpler than you think. You can sell AI-generated content directly. Think articles, blog posts, or social media updates. You can offer AI automation services to businesses, helping them streamline their operations. You could start a YouTube channel just like this one, using AI to help with scripts, voiceovers, and even video clips. You can sell AI-generated graphics and designs on platforms like Etsy or directly to clients. You can write and publish entire ebooks in a fraction of the time it used to take. You can offer AI copywriting services for ads, websites, and emails. Or you can get really advanced and sell complete business automation setups, charging premium prices for your expertise. The opportunities are massive. So why is this such a game changer? Speed. AI makes you faster. What used to take months of hard work can now be accomplished in weeks or even days. This means you can get your ideas out into the world faster, test them, and start earning income in a fraction of the time. You're not just working smarter, you're working at superhuman speed. It's about leveraging technology to accelerate your path to success. Here's the bottom line: AI will replace people. That's a fact, but it won't replace people who know how to use it. By learning these tools, you're not just staying relevant. You're putting yourself at the forefront of the biggest technological shift of our lifetime. The choice is yours. Get left behind or learn to use AI and build the future you want. The time to start is now. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you soon.